And now, another America moment with Mr. Raymond.
Hey there, Grasshoppers. Mr. Raymond here, and today we're talking about cause and effect and how it plays such an interesting role in the way we learn history. We know at the end of the French and Indian War, France lost all of its North American holdings, and Great Britain took control of all the land east of the Mississippi River. This seems like it'd be a wonderful thing for the British, but it had an unforeseen consequence, and that big unforeseen consequence is Pontiac's Rebellion. Pontiac was an Ottawa chief who was going to lead a rebellion against British forces as they took control of the British forts in what would be the Great Lakes region. If you take a look at the map here, you see the results of Pontiac's war. Every single fort that has a little explosion mark next to it is a fort that was attacked and taken by the Native Americans. You can also see how the Native Americans impacted frontier life in what would now be Western Pennsylvania and West Virginia. Pontiac's Rebellion is finally going to be squashed by the British in 1764, but that too leads to unforeseen consequences. King George and the British Parliament are going to draw a line down the Appalachian Mountains in 1763. It's going to be known as the Proclamation Line of 1763. In essence, creating a great big Native American reserve in what would be the Mississippi River Valley. That's great for the Native Americans, but we know American settlers want to move westward, and this is going to lead to more fighting, more conflicts, and more unforeseen consequences.
This has been another America moment with Mr. Raymond.